Do you want?
I love them.
Do you like clams?
Yeah.
Are they good?
I want another clam.
All right, Mommy's cooking them.
Wait. Hi. That girl's name is Gemma, and she and me love clams. We've ate 4. You want a clam? Yeah. Here's a clam. Put them on my plate. Oh! Hey, you want them? No, thank you.
These are very hot. They're hot. You're not going to be able to touch them.
I can touch them. Some of them are very hot.
Stop.
Oh, I'm getting the
Are you kidding?
big one. No, I get the big one.
They're going to get burnt. Why are you guys not
No.
listening?
Don't go and get born. This is mine. Don't go and get born. This is mine. Sally, you get that one. Here. Sissy, hey. Those are way too
Stop.
hot. Those are way too hot. You don't want it. Those are way too hot. This is mine.
All right, just eat it then.
No, this is
Stop.
mine. This is
Guys,
mine.
you're getting the next one. Stop.
I'm just getting on the next one. Those steam's way too hot. No, they're not, Jem. Just eat it and go. Get out of here.
Honey, eat your clam. It's fine now. I mean, it's the shell that was hot.
This is. Let me have one.
Melina,
No.
stop.
Those are mine. I have the same one. Hey, give me one. No, those are mine. You be quiet.
I forgot what.
Melina.
If you reach for that clam again, so help you God.
I'm going to put this on Facebook.
I want
Melina, that's her.
I get the next one. Okay. And I get the next one too. Okay? I get the next one. I get the biggest one I want. And I get to pick because you got my big one. I wanted to